Jesus Christ, the rendering on the torso? It's the burb, but in the form of a rug. What? This is the end of me. Oh my god, I need to retire after this. So we recently hit 1 million subscribers, and honestly, it brings me so much joy to be able to connect with you guys on YouTube and talk to you guys and just do stupid stuff here. So I really appreciate you guys for that. And as a way to say thanks to you guys, I hosted a Draw This in Your Style challenge. The last time I did one of these was like 3 years ago, so it's been a long time. And these are my OCs, Kara and Tessa, along with the little cat whose name is Bruce and Burb. Basically, the whole premise of this challenge is just to draw the characters in your style and show me your own artistic voice. So let's see what my fans have been able to come up with. Okay, this is insane. So our challenge was very open-ended. I said you can draw the characters doing whatever they want, in whatever environment you want, whatever pose you want, whatever backstory you want. And this person decided to draw our characters sitting down at a cafe. And honestly, the stylization and simplification on these characters looks so good. And I haven't even touched on the background yet. Look at the shininess on the lamps. That's insane. This is absolutely cracked. I don't even think I can do that. And the artist who drew this piece seems to draw a lot of food and cats. Okay, I mean, kind of the same thing, but yeah, so that's amazing. Here's another one. This is so cute. I love what you've done with Bruce here. I also love the cool blue tones in the skin. Look at that. And this person actually included some of their OCs. So if you guys didn't know, I'm planning to draw the OCs of our winners. I'm saying winners because you guys are all winners in my heart. You guys can let me know in the comments which ones you want to see me draw the most. Oh my goodness, and this one's so beautiful. It's a 3D piece, but so incredibly stylized. Oh, the angle. It's so good. Playing games together on the PS5, you love to see that. I love the colors in this one. Look at this vibrant orange fading kind of back up into the character and the vibrant shadows. Extra chunky Burb and a Bruce who looks absolutely traumatized. What did you do to him? And they actually added their OC as well. And this is a gorgeous drawing. Are you kidding me? Look at the hair and the lighting on the face. Don't even get me started. I love this style. This is like a fantasy family portrait. And Bruce has little wings. Oh, the render on this one. Oh, that's your OC. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's great. Love the pose. And Bruce is being choked. What are you guys doing to this poor cat in these drawings? Okay, I love this one. I love the stylization in the eyes. It really reminds me of Tangled. They are men. And you've also made Bruce an absolute abomination. And just for that, I wanted to include you in this video because this is cursed. And here's another 3D piece. This is insane. The detail. This is great. This poor cat. Okay, this one is so cute. These two are witches and Bruce is knocking a potion into the cauldron. It's probably about to cause an explosion there. And I love the storytelling in this piece. And this is their OC. So that's a really fun, colorful OC. I love how the rainbow on the clouds is like dripping down her hand. Jesus Christ, the rendering on the torso? How did you? Wait, this looks so realistic. Oh my goodness. The style on this one is amazing. I just love the shape language that you've used in the facial features of your character. The way you've stylized the face looks so good to me. The lips, do you see the shape of the lips? And of course, Bruce looks like a little demon. Justice for Bruce. Stop doing him like this. Process shots. That's lovely. Style, guys. Style. This style is everything. They look like stickers that you might put in a bullet journal or something. It's so good. There's a great storytelling in this one. So they're both holding up Bruce, or they're trying to hold him back. I don't know. He's trying to attack the Burb. I love that. I mean, in the original drawing, I allowed them to coexist in peace, but you decided no, we can't have that. Here's another great one. I love the expressions you've added onto the faces of the characters. I love when people try to experiment with different poses, different expressions. You got the smile on the Burb reading right. And Bruce, oh, he looks like he's up to no good. What is he planning? Is he looking at the Burb? He's planning to eat the Burb. This is such a great anime style, and this, I feel like, is almost exactly what these characters would look like if they were actually in anime form. That is their OC. This looks really cool, actually. She's got some different costumes, different expressions. I love that. I don't know what she's eating, but I think this is exactly how Kara would behave in public. And look at that. You've got Tessa's personality down perfect too. Like she wouldn't look up from her phone. She's taking a picture of her food or whatever. She's got a glass of wine. The wine looks so good. It's so great to me when an artist is able to capture the personality of a character through a drawing. And a lot of you guys are not including your OCs. Maybe you guys don't have OCs, in which case I'm sorry. Oh my goodness, the rendering here. The rain droplets on the water? You're kidding me. The umbrella. And this is your OC. She looks like she's up to no good. Love the colors in this one, the vibe in this one, the expressions on the faces of the characters. And I feel like I'm looking at an oil painting. It has such a painterly textured style. You can see the burbs almost melting into the background here. It's beautiful, beautifully done. Absolutely love this piece. They've got swords. I don't know what they're gonna do with them. Maybe they're enemies. The stylization too with the line art and everything looks so good. And here is your OC. Got a little pigeon there. Love that. I love when people include pigeons. They're delicious. This one is so fun. You've got the full background, so I commend you for that. And look at Bruce. He's on the phone. What's he doing? That's so fun. Look at his little pose. You're doing great, Bruce. Oh, and that's your OC. Wow. That's kind of cool. Love the style here. This is so exaggerated. It almost looks like something from a TV show I would watch as a kid before going to school. Look at Bruce. Oh my God, I love that. Here's another great style. Love the proportions that you're using here and the round shape for the head. Really well done. And Bruce looks traumatized. And can we just talk about the eyes in this piece? The eyes, guys, the eyes. Oh my, look, how could you say no? Oh, I love this one. I love this one so much. They're friends. They're happy. Really enjoy your stylization. Great job. Keep that up. This is just wild. They look like villains. Look at her skull tattoo. And you see the dragon on Tessa's back? That is crazy. They look like, oh, there's more. So that's the original. Very happy vibes, right? But oh my, the dragon on the, whoa, I'm speechless. And check this one out. Check out what happened to Bruce. First of all, he changed colors entirely, and he's huge. I love the way you use the cat as a backdrop for this composition. He almost reminds me of Totoro. This one is so cool. Kara and Tessa are like robots here. It's like a super dynamic pose, and in the background, a giant Bruce. So we got a theme of giant Bruce going on here, and the burb is huge too, and the characters are kind of all tangled together in this really dynamic composition. I really like the clothing on this piece. Look, we got a Bruce patch here and a burb patch there. And here's this person's OC. Love the color of the hair. This one is beautiful, so vibrant. I really appreciate the pose that you've put the characters in. There's such a sense of story here. Like the characters have their own personalities, they're interacting with each other, and the burb is just happy to be there. And this piece has such a graphic kind of illustrative style. The plain red background with the plain colors on the characters. And how could you say no to Kara's face here? Oh my God. And Bruce, lovely, very nice. I've seen a lot of people draw eyelashes like this, where they kind of just pull the white out of the eyes as well. It's an interesting style for sure. And here is their OC. Now that's actually a really cool looking OC with nice big curly hair. Wait, Tessa? And of course, we gotta show the traditional artists some love here. Look at these two. So cute. You guys are doing a great job. 69 likes too. That's great. Here's Kara and Tessa having a bit of a picnic, and Bruce is just absolutely bamboozled by this butterfly. And is she drinking the burb? She's about to consume the burb. No. This one is so much fun. Okay, so I'm assuming that's me. You've made me look way too handsome, but thanks. How about an appreciation video? Roast video. I love that. I'm glad that you guys are able to get a good read on the personalities of my characters, and this is their OC. She's also got a burb. Oh, look at that. That's great. Love the faces on them. And that is your OC. Vote in the comments, guys. Should we draw this one? Okay, this piece is just fantastic. Look at the background, the shininess on the ground, the rain. Oh, and if we go on their profile here, we can see that they don't normally do background. So I love when somebody steps out of their comfort zone and tries something new. I love to see that. Check this one out. This is wild. The shapes here, this is Picasso. This is genuinely Picasso. I like it. Okay, I had to include this one because look at Bruce. This is hands down the best drawing of Bruce I've ever seen. It's just, he's perfect. This is Kara hanging out with the artist's OC. It's so creative, so creative. Look at that. But you want to see something even cooler? Okay, look at this. He moves. Oh. And this is their OC. Yeah, I had to include this one because look at the muscles on Kara. What the? She's been doing a lot of crunches and leg raises. The anatomy on that looks so good. I think they're in love here. I can't blame Tessa for feeling that way because the abs on her. This is just such a cute piece. You've got a full background here. You've got great lighting. You've got storytelling. Bruce is on Kara's back. Kara's on Tessa's back. Tessa looks like she's struggling. And look at the water. You did a great job with the water too. Like this one is super wholesome. So we have Kara, we have Tessa, and in the middle, we have the artist's OC. That's a cool looking OC. And this is gorgeous. I couldn't finish this one, sadly. What do you mean you couldn't finish? This looks great. Okay, maybe you're talking about the hands, but hey, who cares about hands, right? And this right here is your OC. I really like the color scheme here. The pink sleeve with the yellow sleeve, white hair, that's a bonus, and the outfit on her looks amazing. Okay, check out the premise of this piece. Tessa possessing shadow magic. How cool is that? She's in like a fantasy world. She's got some weird stuff going on with the vines in the background. Maybe she's like the anti-hero in this world. That's so cool. I love it. There's like a whole story here. This is so good. Not only do you have a full background here, but look at Bruce. He's like, ah! And it's a fish. Absolutely love this piece of Tessa. She's looking at herself in the elevator mirror. This is super fitting. She almost looks kind of narcissistic. And that is your OC. That's a cool OC. I mean, you kind of left the colors out, so there's a lot of freedom there to play with. Okay, I had to show you guys this one because it's not Kara, not Tessa. It's the burb, but in the form of a rug. What? It's a full-on burb rug. I really like that. So Kara's holding Bruce, but Bruce apparently has beef with Tessa here. So I guess in this universe, they don't really like each other. This piece is so cool to me. You can see the whale shark in the background. She's underwater. She's got a little glowing fish here. There's like a school of fish in the back, some stingrays. And that's your OC, huh? That's a cool looking OC. Had to put this one in. Just check out the rendering here. It's so pleasing to look at. Oh, more 3D, and this is incredible. And of course, it's by a Korean artist. Korean artists are cracked. My Korean friends out there, please, I just need one of you guys to please expose your secrets. I thought this one was really interesting because this person has given Tessa the career of a singer, which is kind of cool. Or she could be doing stand-up comedy here. I don't know. This is so much fun. Kara and Tessa walking away from an explosion. Tessa is just like head down, like, yeah, we just did that. And Kara's just happy to be there. And that is your OC. That's a cool one. This is sick. Again, full background here, but Tessa's working as a bartender, I think. She'd be kind of intimidating as a bartender, I feel, but who knows? Maybe she makes great conversation as she tries to get you drunk and get you blacked out. If you ever wanted to see Kara and Tessa as bears, this is the post for you. You're walking a very fine line here between cursed and cute. But I will say you definitely got the characters' likenesses down. I mean, the black and white and the gray. Hey, good job. And that's your OC, Queen what is that? Calliope? Calliope. Another 3D piece. That's so cool. Bruce's little face. I just love that. They move. That is wild. Oh, look at that. This is black and white, but I like the stylization on these characters. That's great. This is cool. This is really cool. So Tessa's got a dragon tattoo on her back, but in this piece, the dragon's coming off of her back and the red stamp there, like a really Asian style painting. And that is your OC. It's an avatar. That's cool. That's really cool. I love this piece. This is great. She's just chilling. Look at her. And this is your OC. Her name is Sophia. I like the outfit. I like the vibe here. Just to make it a little different. You've definitely done that. My God, you've made Bruce a what is that? I'm sad that you didn't include a furry OC for me to draw. That's cute. Look at him. Oh my God, Bruce is so small here. And that's your OC. Okay, cool looking one. She's got magic. She's got some good magic and some bad magic. Ooh, this is a whip. But honestly, dude, I think your whip is plenty good enough. The shape language here is amazing. Honestly, you don't need to finish it. It looks finished to me. Oh, this is amazing. I love that Kara's got some muscle on her delt. She's definitely been working out. And the cheek squish from Bruce. That's great. Dude, what? That's so cool. I wonder what the story is here. They look like they're wearing uniforms. Are they detectives in this world? Because that is cool, man. That's really cool. Bro, draw this in my style, he said. It will be fun, he said. Okay, I told you to draw this in your style. And you did this to yourself. Jesus, why did you do this? Swole Burb and Swole Bruce. I don't think I can ever get this image out of my head now. This is the end of me. Oh my God, I need to retire after this. Ooh, that's interesting. You drew them all as cats. You know what? That does look like Kara as a cat, and that does look like Tessa as a cat. That's great. That's really cool. Simple and effective stylization on your characters here. I like it. Oh, humongous Burb. And this is your OC. She's really cute. She's got, what is that? A little frog on her head? These pieces with full backgrounds always get me. I just love the amount of effort that was put into here. All right, guys, so I tried to showcase as many as I can in a reasonable amount of time. But if you want to see more of these posts, please visit the hashtag SamDoesArts1mil and show these artists some love, because these pieces are amazing and all of them deserve to be shown, and I definitely didn't even come close to showing you guys all of them. And to everyone who took part in this challenge, I am super proud of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for the support that you've shown me, and thank you for the love that you've given me. It truly means the world to me. I want you guys to know that I never take you guys for granted. I'm glad that we're able to have this community. We're able to talk to each other here. I'm gonna keep making videos. I'm gonna keep making art, and hopefully continue to support you on your own art journey. And it truly is an honor that you've decided to include me as a part of your journey. So with that being said, I'm gonna check out your guys' OCs in this hashtag, and as a way of saying thanks, I'm gonna draw one of your guys' OCs. Or maybe multiple, we don't know yet. And again, thank you. My brain still has not been able to fully process, just all the stuff that I do. But thank you. Thank you for your support. You make all this possible, and I appreciate you. That being said though, I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you guys.